welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm bringing you this easy, natural, no makeup look. It's glowy, it's your skin but better. It's fresh, it's natural. You don't have to go through the ton of steps and products. For this look, you don't have to bake. You don't have to foundation it. You don't have to contour it. You can do this look under 5 minutes. It's minimal products. I use a handful of products in this video to create this look. You don't have to use a ton of products to do your makeup. I usually use a lot of cream products when I do a no makeup look or when I want to have a fresh natural makeup. I think that the cream products give you a fresh natural look, a fresh youthful look, and glowy in a natural way. It doesn't look like I have a ton of makeup. It doesn't look like I have any makeup on. Maybe just a little bit of gloss and mascara, but it still looks really fresh, natural, and clean. I usually do this when I'm short on time, when I don't have a lot of time, but I still want to look good. It's just a better version of myself. If you want that natural kind of look that I'm not wearing makeup, but I still look good, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so it can let you know when I upload a video like this one or when I review the new products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is hydrate my skin. Especially for this look, you want to have a really nice, smooth and hydrating base to work with. So for that, I'm gonna use the Bobbi Brow Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It's an oily-free, lightweight moisturizer plus primer. It's hydrate, soften, and give me a smooth base to work with, but it doesn't make my skin greasy. I just use my beauty blender and I just dab it onto my skin. It smooths out my skin, and I find that it also helps to control my oil throughout the day as well. So when I use this one, I don't have to use another primer on top of this. So cut out one step for me. For the face, I'm gonna skip the foundation. I just want to put on something that's gonna protect my skin. For this type of look, you want to go for something that has the raw tinted moisturizer or BB cream or CC cream. For today, I'm gonna use the Erborian CC Cream. It covers imperfection like breakout, blemishes. It even out my skin textures. The cool thing about this CC cream is that it has a color matching technology. Let me show you what I mean. This CC cream, it came out white. But when the pigment hit the light, it's gonna turn color and gonna match your skin tone. See, this side doesn't have any CC cream, and this one side has a little bit of the CC cream. So it eliminates the one step for you to have to go try to match your shades. This one has 2 shades. One is light and this one is regular. It's for medium to tan undertone. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face. And you just rub it, blend it out like you would with your moisturizer. You could use a brush or beauty blender, but on the day that I'm short on time and I don't have a lot of time, I can just do like this. And this formula is so lightweight. It gives the skin a dewy, soft finish, but it's not greasy. And it has the SPF of 25, so it matches my skin perfectly. For the concealer today, I'm gonna take the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's lightweight, it does not crease on my under eyes. For this look, you don't want to have the shade that is lighter than your skin tone. You want to try to match it closely to your skin tone. You don't want to have like no makeup look and just have your under eyes is really bright so people can tell you have some type of concealer on your face. The shade that I'm using right now is medium, and you just want to have just a little bit on your under eyes. That's all I'm gonna have. You just try to even out your under eyes. I'm not gonna blend it out all the way. I'm just bringing it in right in the area where it's really dark, or in places you want to cover redness. And if you have any breakout or blemishes or just something like this, you can just go in and just dot it on just a little bit and blend it out really quick. And that is all I do for my face. If you have dry skin, you don't have to set your face. But with my oily skin, I notice when I don't set my face, my under eye tend to crease a little bit. And if I have mascara on the bottom lash, the mascara gonna mix with my oil on my face and it's gonna smear out my mascara. So I'm just gonna set my face just lightly. You can use whatever setting powder that you like. Today I'm gonna use Laura Mercier translucent powder. With my damn beauty blender, I just go lightly, just a little bit. Dab up some of the excess on my hand and just set it lightly. And that is all I need for this look. For the days that I don't want to mess with a lot of makeup, I don't want to grab brow pomade or brow powder, I'm just gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wit. I don't want to create a whole new brow. If you have long thick brow, you just need to use a little bit of the clear brow gel and just brush up your brow, then you're good to go. But since I don't have much brow, I just have to go in with a pencil and just lightly fill in my brow. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I'm just gonna brush this up real quick just to hold my hair in place. For the eyes, I'm just gonna do something really quick and simple. Usually I take any bronzer, anything that you have. Today I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. I already did an impression of this powder bronzer video. I will put that in the description box down below so you can check it out. What I do is I just usually take a fluffy brush. Today I'm using the Morphe R37. Run it really quickly. Just put it on my crease. Just give my eyes a little bit of definition. If you want, you can just get your brush and run it on your lower lash line. And that is all you have to do. The most important thing for your eye look is curl your lashes. It's really open up your eyes. And then for the mascara, you can use any mascara that you like. For the moment, I like the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. I I like the one of this one because it's really small and thin. It can really coat each of my lashes and give myself volume. And this one lasts for 36 hours. It volumizes, but it does not weigh my lash down. I'm just trying to put a couple coat of this without clumping up my eyelashes. And I'm just gonna go with the same thing with this one. I'm just gonna run it on my lower lash line as well. That is all that I do for the eyes. It's pretty easy and simple. I'm not gonna do any contour or anything on my face. I'm just gonna bronze up my face a little bit just to give my face a little bit of a warmth. So I'm just gonna run through my Chanel Soleil Tandy Chanel. Just grab a little bit on my damp beauty blender and tap the excess off from the back of my hand and just run it right where the hollow of my cheek. Just a tiny bit. I do the same thing for the other side. Tap it off the excess and run it right where I have the hollow of my cheek. Just give it a little bit warmth to my face and a little bit of definition. And just a little bit on my forehead. And that is all. Now that my face is warmed up, I just want to add a little bit more color on my cheek. I like using a lot of cream because it's melt into your skin. And for that, I'm gonna use the Natasha Denona Diamond and Plus palette. I'm gonna go back to the Cream Plus right here. Since this one is really pigmented, you just try to be very light-handed with this one. I like using cream products a lot because to me it gives me a fresh, natural looking and it still give me that glow. I'm also gonna use the cream base from this palette as well, and I'm just gonna tap it on the high part of my face. I want to have it a little bit right here, just a little bit on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid bow. For this look, I just want to have a natural glow, like your skin glow from within. So I'm just gonna use the cream glow base. I'm not gonna add on any powder highlighter. But with this cream base, when the light hits you, you can still see the glow from your face. But it's really, really natural. For the lip, I'm gonna use something that hydrates my lips, but also give me a little bit of color and make sure that my lip don't look crusty. I don't want a matte lip, but I don't want a gloss either. I'm gonna use my Dior Lip Glow color Rivera Palm. It has a little bit color. This one is raspberry. This one hydrates my lip and it's really lightweight. It's give me a little bit color. It enhances my natural lip color. So it's really convenient. You can just pop this one in your purse and carry with you, and with this way I don't have to worry about my colors smearing off my teeth or wear off my when I eat. You can just reapply this. It's so easy, and it's really moisturize your lip as well. That is it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. I really love it when you do. Also, I have some video over there if you want to check them out. Let me know in the comment down below what other look that you want me to do and what other products that you want me to try on. And I will see you in my next video.